What if I told you AI could turn you into a star? Buckle up, because we're diving into the future of fame. AI isn't just for tech geeks anymore. It's your secret weapon to stardom. Whether you're a musician, influencer, or just someone with a unique talent, AI can boost your visibility. First, AI can analyze trends. It tells you what's hot and what's not, so you can create content that people can't resist. Next, AI helps with content creation. Imagine having a virtual assistant that suggests the perfect captions, edits your videos, and even creates eye-catching graphics. And let's not forget, AI can manage your social media. It schedules posts at the optimal times and interacts with your followers, keeping your fans engaged 24/7. So if you're dreaming of fame, remember, AI is like having a personal PR team in your pocket. Get ready to shine bright, because with AI, your path to fame just got a whole lot easier.